From dream to bestseller, your guide to publishing a Kindle book on Amazon Hook. Imagine holding your book in the hands of readers worldwide, your story climbing Amazon's charts, and royalties hitting your bank account, all from the comfort of your laptop. Self-publishing on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, has turned countless dreams into reality, and yours could be next. Story. When Sarah, a part-time barista with a passion for fantasy novels, decided to publish her first book, she felt overwhelmed. She had a manuscript but no clue how to navigate Amazon's platform. Through trial, error, and persistence, she learned the ropes of KDP, polished her manuscript, designed a stunning cover, and launched her book to a global audience. Within months, her novel hit Amazon's top 100 in her genre, earning her steady royalties and a loyal readership. Sarah's journey shows that anyone with a story to tell can succeed on KDP with the right roadmap. This guide is that roadmap. Whether you're a first-time author or looking to refine your process, here's a step-by-step path to publish your Kindle book on Amazon, captivate readers, and build your author career. Crafting your masterpiece. Writing a book. Readers love. Your book starts with a spark, an idea that demands to be shared. Define your genre, romance, thriller, self-help, and audience to shape your narrative. Aim for a word count that fits, 20,000 and 50,000 words for shorter works, 70,000, 100,000 for novels. Write with passion but edit with precision. Hire a professional editor for developmental feedback, copy editing, and proofreading. Try Reedsy or Upwork. If budget's tight, tools like Grammarly or Hemingway can help, but a human editor's insight is gold. Formatting for Kindle success. A well-formatted book ensures a seamless reading experience. KDP accepts .doc, .docx, .epub, or .mobi files. Use clean fonts, Arial, Times New Roman, consistent headings, and simple layouts. Complex formatting can glitch on e-readers. Include a title page, copyright, and an author bio. Kindle Create. Free, simplifies formatting while Calibre or Vellum offers advanced options. Test your file with KDP's Previewer to catch issues like misaligned text or blurry images. Use 300 dpi for visuals. Creating a cover that sells your cover is your book's billboard. A genre-specific design, vibrant for YA, sleek for nonfiction, grabs attention. Hire a designer via Fiverr or 99 Designs for professional results, or use Canva for DIY. Ensure your cover meets KDP specs, 2560 x 1600 pixels, JPEG TIFF, 300 dpi. Study top sellers in your genre for trends, and make sure your title pops at EU thumbnail size. Setting up your KDP journey, getting started with KDP, head to kdp.amazon.com and sign up with an Amazon account. Fill out your author profile, including tax and payment details for royalties. KDP supports global bank accounts, so verify your info to avoid delays. Familiarize yourself with KDP's guidelines to ensure compliance. Choosing your publishing path, KDP offers flexibility. Enroll in KDP Select for Kindle Unlimited, KU, and promotional tools like countdown deals, but commit to Amazon exclusivity. KU pays per page read, ideal for new authors. Alternatively, publish non-exclusively to distribute on Apple Books or Kobo. KDP Select suits Amazon-focused authors, while going wide maximizes reach. Launching your book on Amazon, perfecting your book details in your KDP dashboard. Click Create a new title. Add your title, subtitle, and author name. Write a gripping book description, up to 4,000 characters, with hooks and keywords. A heart-pounding mystery, unraveling a small town's secrets. Choose up to 7 keywords using tools like Publisher Rocket to boost searchability. Pick 2 categories, e.g., fiction, fantasy, epic, and refine later via KDP support. Uploading your files, upload your manuscript and cover, then use KDP's Previewer to spot errors. Fix common issues like incorrect fonts or margins by revisiting Kindle Create or KDP's formatting guide. Ensure images render clearly across devices. Pricing for profit, choose between 35% or 70% royalties. The 70% option applies to eBooks priced $2.99, $9.99 in major markets with a small delivery fee. Price competitively, $2.99, $4.99 works for most genres. Enable paperback distribution if you formatted a print version. Set pricing for each market, US, UK, etc., and select worldwide rights. Going live and building buzz publishing. Your book double-check your metadata, files, and pricing, then hit Publish. Amazon reviews your book within 24 to 72 hours. Once approved, it's live on the Kindle store and you'll get a confirmation email with your book's link. Marketing like a pro visibility is key. KDP Select users can run Kindle countdown deals or free book promotions to spike sales. Build an author platform. Create a website, Wix, Squarespace. Grow a social media presence, Twitter, X, TikTok, and start an email list, MailChimp. Run Amazon-sponsored ads with a $5, $10 daily budget, targeting relevant keywords. Request reviews ethically via your book's back matter or email list. Promote through BookBub, Goodreads, or genre-specific blogs for wider reach. Managing your success tracking. Performance KDP's dashboard shows sales, royalties, and KU page reads. Monitor trends to adjust pricing or keywords. Respond to reader feedback by updating your book. New files or metadata take 72 hours to go live. Stay professional. Don't engage with negative reviews. Expanding your portfolio, offer a paperback via KDP's print on demand or an audiobook through ACX. Multiple formats attract more readers. Write a series to keep fans hooked and build a backlist for steady income. Join author groups, e.g. R Self-Publish, Ally, for tips and networking. Navigating legal and tax details. Include a copyright notice in your book. Purchase an ISBN for paperbacks. KDP offers free ones. And complete KDP's tax form for royalties. Protect your work by avoiding plagiarism and respecting IP laws. Conclusion. Your story awaits like Sarah. You can turn your manuscript into a published book that captivates readers worldwide. With KDP's tools, a polished manuscript, and smart marketing, your author journey is just beginning. Don't wait. Your readers are out there. Call to action. Start today. Sign up for KDP, polish your manuscript, and take the first step toward publishing your Kindle book. Visit kdp.amazon.com to create your account and check out resources like Kindle Create or Self-Publishing with Amazon by Joanna Penn for extra guidance. Your bestseller is waiting to be unleashed.